Your next car could be the 2018 Jeep Grand Cherokee. With less than 80,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. The Grand Cherokee delivers rugged off-road capability, refined luxury, technology that keeps you safe, connected, and entertained, and an iconic spirit of adventure. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: navigation system, sun, moonroof, keyless entry, cooled front seat, fog lamps, backup camera, remote engine start, power liftgate, blind spot monitor, front tow hooks. You don't have to sacrifice comfort to get all-terrain capability. Drive the Grand Cherokee.